After decades of civil war, Somalia is known for its conflict, poverty and famine. But the opportunity to bring peace and positive change to the war-torn country rests with its youth.
dhibaatadan soo gaartay dhalinyaradu waxay ku dhacday mustaqbal la'aan xoogag badan oo nabad diid ah ama khalkhal gelinaya wadanka.
If we are going to see peaceful Somalia, empowering youth is very, very crucial and important.
Somalia's young people, aged 14 to 29, make up 42% of the total population and, given the right opportunities and support, have the potential to become a major driver for peace and stability.
waxbarashada xaggeeda haday wax bartaan qofka waxbarasho fiican barto horu kac fiican buu sameeynaya dhalinyarada doon muhiim bay ka muuqanaya sababtoo dadka aqoonta leh.
UNDP Somalia's Human Development Report finds that young Somalis resoundingly want to be heard and want to participate. They want to play a part in shaping the future of their nation.
It will start from education. If they think about empowering those people and give them the confidence and the tools, they can do something.
Higher education is blossoming, and against all odds, you meet young people who are pushing themselves through medical education, through legal education, through commercial education. You can see that young people are really looking for a way to move forward.
If we empower the youth in employment opportunities, in conflict resolutions, in leadership skills, in all these youth empowerment activities, the country may develop into a positive direction.
The report, entitled Empowering Youth for Peace and Development, found there was a pervading sense of optimism among Somalia's youth, despite facing significant challenges.
We are agreed all Somalis to become a positivist or to see everything in a positive way.
sida dhulka la xaalufinayo kaleantood hanti guura waxyaabo badan buu qofka social ahaan daafacaya. dhulka dhalinyarada wuxuu noqon karaa dhulka dhalinyarada reer Puntland waxay noqon kartaa in horumar meesha hadda tigsi horumar ku weyn ay gaarsiin karaan. qofka aqoon leh society-giisa waxyaabo badan oo ku soo kordhinaya aqligiisa experience-giisa waxyaabo badan oo dhulka ka difaacaya.
Young Somalis want the opportunity to go to school. They want to join the workforce and they want to be involved in political processes. But the report finds that just 1/3 of young Somalis have a job and only half can read and write.
mustaqbalka waxaan rajeynayaa in dhalinyarada Soomaaliyeed meesha ay ka soo baxdo inay ka soo baxaan inaa qof waayo aragnimo wax bartay aqoonteedii wax ku tartadkeedii dalkeediiba barnaamijkii waxbarashadeena hadda uu soo socdo insha Allah ilaa iyo heer hadda dibloomada mar dhow ka qalin jebinayo insha Allah jaamacadda wareegsanaa degree inaan si dhameystiraa hadduu Ilaahay yiraahdo mustaqbalkan waxaan rajeynayaa in future-keyga nafsadeedana wax badan oo tari karo anagana dalkeygana waxyaabo badan oo tari karaayo.
Including youth in society is not just about creating opportunities. It is also about limiting risks. Young Somalis who can't find work are more tempted by crime, militancy or piracy, endangering not only themselves but also their communities.
hadda dhalinyarada ma la siiyo maxaa la dhihi jiray taageeris boonay laakiin qofkii dhalinyarada wax soo bartay hadduu helo maxaa la dhihi jiray garab waxyaabo badan buu wadanka ugu soo kordhinaya society-ga ay nafsadiisa ku yahay waxyaabo badan buu qaban karaa dhalinyarada.
If they have confidence in themselves and the country itself that they will be going somewhere, it's not pointless. It's something that they can get something from.
The report calls on government, the private sector, civil society and the international community to more actively include young people by developing national youth policies, creating more job opportunities and supporting youth organisations and youth-led initiatives.
feel like I can do anything. I can do whatever I want. If it's good for me, for my family, for my country, I can do it.